Why were the college and career readiness standards created? For college preparedness, aligning standards, and accountability across schools. Now we're going to talk about college preparedness. The standards want the students to be successful. Since 80% of jobs need degrees from colleges, it is important for students to be prepared for college and high school. Standards were set up by colleges to outline what they expect students to learn while in high school. Aligning standards. The gap between high school and college expectations was terrifyingly bold there. College readiness standards are created to ensure that students are given every opportunity to attend college. Accountability. Accountability across schools assures that students, no matter what school district they come from, are given the same background information in their high school classes. We will be talking about a standard under the nature of science, scientific ways of learning and thinking. This standard uses collaborative and safety working practices, and we're focusing on understanding and apply safe procedures in the laboratory and field, including chemical, electrical, and fire safety, and safe handling of live or preserved organisms. An example of why lab safety matters would be if you're in a classroom setting and you're doing a science experiment with your students, you want them to all be on the same page as far as how to be safe with lab equipment and follow lab procedures so everyone can get the most out of the opportunity. Also, since ideally you hope that your students can go on to a career or college setting, you want them to have the background in a laboratory so when they're in a college lab they will be able to conduct themselves professionally. And if your students happen to be one of the ones that would go into a medical or other science field that has many laboratory hours, you're already getting them exposed to something that will be a big part of their future.